The snow started on the afternoon of Friday, January 22nd, and continued through the following day, Saturday the 23rd, ending perhaps around midnight where I live. This is Saturday morning at around 7:15. Still snowing, more than a foot of snow. There you go. This is Saturday morning, the 23rd of January, and there's the snow outside our door. We had shoveled this out last night. That's what the winterscape looks like outside. Okay, we're going down the driveway now. We shoveled the driveway last night. There was about 4 inches, maybe as much as 4.5 inches of snow in it when we shoveled. But we didn't shovel again last night, and now we have knee-deep snow this morning. The road we saw was plowed at least twice. The last time, maybe 11:30 p.m. And what do you see for snow depth? About 8 inches of snow here. There's our kitchen door, covered with snow. It's still snowing and blowing out here. We have a bench in the back porch there. And right around the corner where you can't see it is a snow gauge, a rain gauge, that is completely full. There you go. Here's the wind swirling outside during the storm. This downy woodpecker was hungry enough to find our suet during the storm. Here's the day after the big snow. This is our backyard. You can't see the supports that the bird baths used to be on. They're completely buried under the snow. And this is our small little back deck. Look at how high the piles of snow are here. I'd say these are about 5 feet tall. Just one shovel blade's width going down here. The window had to be dug out. The car is still in the carport. It still snowed in, but at least some of the snow melted off the side in today's sun. And a shovel blade's width. This is a really good path you made, Mary Ellen. And our truck. And in front of the truck, we could actually get out if the road was plowed. Over there, the neighbor kids made a cool snow fort. But we dug all of this out. The neighbors shoveled by hand this large patch of road, but beyond it, it's all still snowed in, so there's nowhere to go, even if you could get the cars out of the driveways.